It's 4:06, 4:07. And I go in at 4:30, so let's go. It's Friday. Let's go. Let's have a good come back home and enjoy the weekend. Oh, snap. What the heck is going on here? Whoa. It's too early in the morning, guys. It's too early. Yeah, so I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I'm not driving my Mercedes in the parking spot at home. My dad is actually going to be the one to go put the tires. So he's going to come pick it up today, later on, since he's not working today. He's going to come pick it up, take it to the tire shop, put new tires. Because I actually have a story that I'll probably tell in another video, but I'll just give you guys a little bit of context. My tire popped when I was coming home from work one day, and I was just right there stuck in the freeway until my cousin came to the rescue and changed my tire. So I figured, since it's pretty much an old Mercedes, a 2008 Mercedes, and we got it used, obviously, 2008. And I assume the tires were just not in a really good condition, so it was bound to happen. I'm just so glad that nothing happened to me. I'm so glad that I'm safe. I'm so glad that it happened to me while I was in the car alone and not with my wife and my son. But yeah, that happened. So we're gonna go put some new tires today. My dad is, and hopefully the tires are great. Nothing happens to them. But yeah, that's the whole reason why I'm using my wife's car. Oh man, it's 65 degrees. It doesn't feel as cold today. It feels a little warm, but that's to be expected. They said that yesterday, today, and I think the weekend, which is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, it was going to be the hottest days of this week. And yeah, yesterday we felt it. Yesterday, I think it was in like the 90s. I was like, dang, it's so hot. But yeah, like right now for a morning, it's like I said, it's 4:10. I'm so dumb. It's 4:10, and it doesn't feel as cold as other days. And then right here, according to the temperature right here, it says it's 66, which it's on the colder side right now, but compared to other days where it's like in the low 50s, this is considered a little warmer. Oh man, so just sit back and relax on this cozy drive to my job. I know I've done a lot of videos of me driving to my job, so it's the same route, same everything, but it's a different day, and that's what makes it unique. Every single day, no matter the same route that I take, it's a different day. So I don't mind making a lot of videos of me driving to work because it's a different day, and every single day is different. coffee in the morning is a definite must. Does that sentence even make sense? I don't know. Definite must. It's a must-have. Coffee is like a must-have in the morning. I need my coffee in the morning. If not, I have a headache throughout the day. I just want to thank all my new subscribers. Recently, all the videos that I've been posting have been getting above 100 views. I know to a lot of you guys that's not a lot, but to me that's great. I'm enjoying it, and I have been getting subscribers, which is really good. So I just want to thank all the new people that are subscribing and watching. I know right now they're not really watching everything because I check my YouTube studio, and you know, obviously I could see the drop off, I could see the average view duration, and sometimes the AVD on the videos is like a minute and a half, 2 minutes, which I mean it's not the best, right? Ideally I would want everyone to watch the whole video, but I'm not worrying about that right now because I want to first build a catalog of videos, and I just want to build a fan base, you know. Then in the future, that's when it's going to snowball and people are going to watch the entirety of my videos because they get to know who I am as a person, right? So it's first about putting in the reps, you know, uploading a lot of videos so that, you know, when people discover me, they can see that I have a lot of videos in my channel, and then they're just gonna end up binge watching all of my videos, which is gonna go into this snowball effect of YouTube recommending all my videos. So in a way it's good. Obviously right now in the beginning it doesn't seem as good because, you know, I'm barely starting my channel with videos about a certain topic. So don't be mad or frustrated if the first videos that you post don't get a lot of views. A lot of people say don't worry about the views, just have fun, you know. Just worry about making the best videos, and then the views will come, the subscribers will come, the watch time will come. And yeah, I think the watch time is what I want to work on the most, because we need 4,000 hours of watch time to get monetized, and the 1,000 subscribers. But I think the 1,000 subscribers will come naturally if your watch time increases. So I need to figure out how to make the best videos possible where people want to watch them, and then I know the 1,000 subscribers will come naturally. So, you know, I'm just trying to enjoy the journey. So if there's like at least 1% of you guys that are still watching this video up to this moment, I just want to say I truly appreciate you guys. And I mean, I appreciate all my viewers and my subscribers, you know, but for the people that are watching my videos all the way through, I just want to say thank you, because you guys are getting me one step closer to my dream, which is to become a full-time YouTuber. And that's what I want to be, especially in this economy. Now more than ever is like, I need to step it up. You know, gas prices are going up. Cost of living is going up. Rent is going up in a lot of different places. To be able to buy a house, oh my gosh, they expect you to have $200,000 in your bank account, which I know for some of you guys is like, Anthony, you don't have that? Like, they're like, bro, like, dude, like, they expect so much just if you want a house. Like, bro, the house market is crazy right now. But yeah, like, I want to be a full-time YouTuber. It's like a shot in the dark, right? It's like, you don't know if it's gonna happen. All we could do is just hope that we are gonna do this, right? You know, but it's not impossible. You know, if other people could do it, so can I. You know, I heard this motivational speech. It's like, the second question after why is why not? I don't even know if I said it right, you know, but a lot of people ask, why? Well, why not, right? What's this truck doing? Truck, come on. You're scaring me over here. And I just think it'll be so cool. Imagine one day my videos just start blowing up or start getting traction. I get monetized and I start making a side income. Like, imagine, like, even $1,000 as a side income per month can make a difference. Like, apart from what I make, if I were to make $1,000 extra, that will make a big difference. Because I mean, that's $1,000 that, you know, that you're making extra. You know, so right now I'm just working on this YouTube stuff. And I know a lot of other people are on the same path, same road. They're trying to grow their channel. And I mean, I just want to say, don't give up. Don't give up. I like how a lot of my videos always tend to be a motivational video. But that's because it's the truth, you know? We just need to not give up on anything, honestly. You have a business that you're doing, don't give up. For other people that start a business, it's because they see that there's more to life. You know? They wanna be more financially independent, maybe more financially stable. So, you know, they start a side business to make more income. You know, because just having the regular 9-to-5 job is not enough. And I know it's kind of weird. I'm hitting a lot of topics in this video that should just be a standalone video, but I don't mind, because, you know, if the videos are longer, then people are gonna see that it's a longer video and they're gonna want to watch. So, and then it's also a way for you guys to get to know me. And I don't really mind the longer videos. I mean, this video, from what I'm seeing right now on my camera, it's only 15 minutes. I know there's a lot of people that do longer videos, right? Like 40 minutes or an hour long, but those are just like ASMR videos. Like, oh, driving from San Diego to LA, and it's like a 2-hour long video. I mean, I kind of do a mix of ASMR content and commentary. This one is pretty much commentary, as you guys could tell. So, enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments, you know, if you subscribed, and I'll see you guys on the next one.